In this video, I am going to show you turn off 5G on Samsung phone to save battery and improve signal. Now let's get started. First of all, take your phone, then swipe the top of the screen to open the notification and quick panel menu. Then click on the gear icon to open the settings page. Once you are in settings, scroll down a little, find the connection tab, tap to open it. After this page, scroll down further, find the mobile networks option, tap on it. Here you can see the mobile network related all of option available there. Scroll further down again, find the network mode option, tap on it. Right now my phone is selected 5G preferred. This means 5G is turned on. If you decide to turn off 5G on your phone, that's very easy. This time select the LTE preferred or 3G preferred if you like. And that is how you can turn off 5G on Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Share this video with your friend. Bye.